How to create your own Kahoot quiz game for free. In this video, we will be learning how can we create our own Kahoot quiz game. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, let's go to a web browser and type Kahoot. Click on the first website and there you will see the website of Kahoot quiz game. Before creating our game, sign in as a student, teacher or professional according to your occupation, and after signing in you will see a lot of options of their packages. Today I will show you how can you make game for free. So click on continue for free. After that click on create. Then you will see a structure of question with its 4 options. Write the question and provide 4 options and tick the correct one. After that you can see on add question a different type of questions like true or false. Write your question and choose the correct answer. After that you can save the quiz and done. That's how you can make game. Now to play it, go to your home page and click on start. Here you can see different modes in which you can play depending upon the team members you have, and you can also share your game by sharing the code of this game to your friends. And that's it. That is how you can make your own Kahoot quiz game for free. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.